Jonathan Lee Riches Investigates. I am covering the Moscow, Idaho case. Idaho 4, they call it. Idaho 4. Let's talk about Shanon Gray, the attorney for the Gonzalez family, one of the victims' families. I found some interesting information about Shanon Gray that I need to share with all of you. It seems like his law license was suspended in Oregon in January of 2022, that he agreed upon with the Oregon bar for a 30-day suspension. I found this information out in a Idaho 4 Facebook group. There's many of them out there where they share information, and someone made this post, and I'm going to share this post with you right here. Check it out. So this was posted in a Facebook group around the Idaho 4 tragedy. Is anyone else concerned that the Gonzalez family attorney, Shanon Gray, agreed to a suspension of his law license in January 2022 for not following the attorney rules of professional responsibility, and that he revealed information related to the representation of his client without authorization, which caused actual injury by revealing detrimental and confidential information about his client to the court's public record. And they attached basically an agreement by Shanon Gray to have his law license suspended in the state of Oregon. So I went to search myself, and I found the disciplinary issue with Shanon Gray. Allegedly something to do with representing a client years back and not paying or taking money from the client and then putting it into another account. It's something to do with money, right? And I saw that, and he agreed to a 30-day suspension of his law license. Eventually, Shanon Gray is now practicing law in Idaho. Do you think Shanon Gray is competent to represent the Gonzalez family? I personally liked it when Steve Gonzalez and their family would speak off the cuff and speak without an attorney. I enjoyed hearing the passion coming from the Gonzalez family. I don't know getting an attorney actually helps the situation unless they are planning to sue somebody. What is the purpose of Shanon Gray's part in this case by representing the family? I know that he filed a motion asking to get rid of the gag order that's in place for victims' families. But do you think Shanon Gray is good or bad, friend or foe, or do you have no opinion? Did you know about the information that I just shared? With me being involved with the criminal justice system in the past, I don't fully trust civil or criminal attorneys, and I'm sure a lot of you out there don't like that too. I personally made bad choices as a youngster, and in those bad choices, I had to hire representation of a lawyer, and I feel like the lawyer was a car salesman. I feel that the lawyer sold me a lemon because you drop $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 on a lawyer, and then they just lay a goose egg in court, and they don't even do anything that they said they were going to do. And it's not just my own personal experiences, but I've witnessed and talked to thousands of people with the same thing. People just don't trust attorneys nowadays. Some attorneys are good, sometimes attorneys are good, but they definitely, I had a bad experience with attorneys. I don't fully trust them. I'm scarred for life when it comes to attorneys. You know, hopefully I never get in trouble again, but if I ever do, I'm going to represent myself. And they say don't do that, but literally, you know, and even if I have a civil issue, I will most likely represent myself too. I am in outside New York City. Beautiful day out here. So what's your thoughts on Shanon Gray? What's your thoughts on the families getting attorneys to represent them? What is the motive of having an attorney represent one of the families? You know, will Madison Mogen's family get an attorney? Will Xana's family get an attorney? Will Ethan Chapin's family get an attorney? They may already have one, but we haven't seen them yet. So far, it seems like one out of the 4 families has an attorney. But what is his role? Like, what exactly is he trying to accomplish? Is he just trying to speak for them? Because I personally think the Gonzalez family spoke very well without an attorney. And I think an attorney kind of, you know, I think in this particular, maybe the attorney's there just to protect them, as far as protect what they say or whatnot, or, you know, be there just in case they can't answer everything. But Shanon Gray had his attorney, had his law license suspended January 2022. Is that why he's now practicing law in Idaho? I don't think he seems like a nice guy on TV, but, you know, a lot of lawyers out there just, I'm sketchy. I'm sketchy of attorneys. I'm sketchy on how they roll and operate, the whole procedure and stuff. But it looks like the Oregon bar took it serious enough to hold a hearing on that matter. So we'll talk soon. Justice for the victims and their families. God bless everyone. Be safe. New York City.